Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lead in Minecraft. First, gather your materials. You'll need 4 pieces of string and 1 slime ball. Ensure you have a crafting table placed. Lead is incredibly useful for controlling animals or securing your boat, making exploration and farming much easier in your Minecraft world. To get slime balls, look for slimes. They often appear in swamp biomass, especially at night, or deep underground in specific slime chunks. Defeating these bouncy creatures will yield the slime balls you need for crafting your lead. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Minecraft tips. Quick recommendation: enhance your gaming setup with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine controlling your music or smart home devices with just your voice while you build. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. String is quite easy to find. The most common way is by defeating spiders, which drop 1 to 3 pieces. You can also break cobwebs found in abandoned mineshafts or strongholds using a sword. Sometimes, string appears in loot chests too, so keep an eye out. Now for the crafting, open your crafting table. Place 1 slime ball in the very center square. Then, put 1 piece of string in the top left, top middle, middle left, and bottom right squares. This specific pattern will give you 2 leads, perfect for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.